darkness, for me, is where I shine.
The Dark Athena is the name of this mercenary vessel that has captured Riddick's vessel, is basically shanghaiing people out in space and turning them into these cyborg, remote-controlled weapons. And for us, Assault on Dark Athena was really a way of getting into the role of mercenaries in the Riddick universe and telling a story about that that's never really been told before in any of the games or films. We did announce it as a remake with a little bit of added content and some multiplayer, but the scope of the game has changed an awful lot since then. So what we have now is a pretty extensive remake of that original game for next-gen consoles, in addition to an entirely new chapter in the Chronicles of Riddick. We look at this very much as a game that's episodic in nature. It takes place immediately after the end of Escape from Butcher Bay, and so we're working with that adventure and exploration, that first-person fighting and stealth, and that action gunplay, and again doing the sort of genre hybrid thing where we're bending and twisting all of that. I think we've seen a lot of speculation in the community and questions about just how much we're doing to remake Escape from Butcher Bay, but actually we've gone back and recreated that entire game. So we've redone all of those environments using the capabilities of our new engine technology. We've redone every single one of those character models. All of the tweaks and polish that we've made to the individual gameplay mechanics for Assault on Dark Athena are also retroactively a part of Escape from Butcher Bay as well. The decision to go with no HUD, or what we call a minimalistic HUD, is really sort of the hallmark of Starbreeze in our development philosophy. The more that we can do to make the game intuitive and easy to play to the extent that nobody's ever even going to pick up that game manual is really, really important to us. So we've kept with what we did in Escape from Butcher Bay. We've spent a lot of time, a couple years really, working on the multiplayer for Assault on Dark Athena and trying to create something that works really well within that intellectual property and an experience that you really can't find with any other game in the genre.
In the end, everybody bleeds the same.
Assault on Dark Athena will ship for the 360, the PS3, and the PC simultaneously in spring of 2009.